Milky chocolate pudding is my summer merienda. Hi lovies, alam nyo bang below 300 pesos lang to? Uy, no joke yan ha. Ito lang ang mga kailangan natin. Water, chocolate powder, white sugar, cornstarch, and of course, Marie Evaporada. Napakadali lang ito gawin. Ito mga step by step niya. Sa isang kaserola, ilagay natin ang 2 cans of Marie Evaporada, 3 tablespoon sugar, and 3 tablespoon cornstarch. At mix lang natin until powder is well dissolved and may smooth texture na. Pag ganito na ang texture niya, let's transfer it into a container and let it cool for a bit. Next sa ating top coat, kailangan natin is 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 packs of chocolate powder, at 1 and 1/2 cup water. Then mix natin until powder is well dissolved and may smooth texture na. Pag ganito na itsura niya, let's put this on top of the mixture. Pwede din to ilagay sa chiller or freezer for better taste. And for the finale, lagyan natin ng chocolate powder on top. And that's it. O diba? Easy lang para makagawa ng milky chocolate pudding, and ito ginawa ko pang 1 to 3 persons na. Sobrang nakakatakam siya. Tara, let's taste it. Ang sarap niya. Nga pala, this Marie Evaporada is my personal choice, and balita ko this is also a brand for business owners because of its quality and affordability. Mabibili to sa leading supermarkets at palengke nationwide. Beat the heat with creamy summer treats using Marie Evaporada.